Hi, this is Drew Finn here for ExpertVillage.com. We're going to talk about cleaning and maintaining a deck. This video is presented by Black Dog Video, and you can visit us on the web at blackdogvideo.biz. Now, for a larger part of the deck, or a deck where we don't have as much green growth and we just want to clean it off, what we're going to do is throw some water on with the bucket, and then we'll take a broom and sway it back and forth. So let's do that. And we take the broom, we've splashed it around, and we spread it out. It's important, you're not scrubbing now, you're just trying to get coverage on it, because we're going to let it sit a minute and let the chemical work on the, we'll let the chemical work and give it a pause a bit. This is another good reason to be doing it when the sun's not out, or like in the evening or on an overcast day, so it doesn't dry out on us. So we just let it sit a while, and then what we do is we can scrub it with a broom and save a lot of back labor. But like we had shown before, in areas like up tight here, or areas that have a heavier green growth, you'd want to use a hand manual one so you get a little more pressure on the area. You can go with the grain, or you can go perpendicular to it. It's preferable to have a pattern both directions, and that way you know you can get those little cracks and crevices better.